Hey guys, I'm starkillerrock and this video is about colour illusions. In this video there's going to be quite a few different fun colour illusions for you guys to try out. So this first one, as you can see the screen is yellow, but soon the screen's going to go red, and all you have to do is to stare at the black dot in the centre of the screen. Okay, so just stare at the black dot in the centre of the screen, and the yellow you just saw is then going to come back on, but it's going to be a different colour after you've stared at the black dot on this red screen. Okay, so the picture's going to change soon, just keep continuing looking at the black dot when the picture changes. And as you can see now the screen has gone green, but the colour is actually yellow. Just move your eyes around as you can see it changes. Okay, now for the next one, the screen's now gone green, but just keep staring at the black dot and the yellow will come back on, and again it will be a different colour. 30 more seconds. Okay, now the screen's changed colour, and as you can see it's gone purple with a slight bit of grey in there too, so a bit of a gradient to it. Okay, so that was a cool illusion. Now just give your eyes a bit of a break before we start the next one. Just blink your eyes around and look around the screen. The screen may look a bit purple, but don't worry, it'll wear off. But the screen's actually white. Okay, now we begin our next one. So if you look down at the two grey squares there, as you can see they're both grey. But now if you look at the black dot in between the blue squares, just keep staring at the black dot until I say when to look at the black dot in between the grey squares. Okay, so this one's going to take about 40 seconds. Okay, if you now look down at the black dot in between the two grey squares, and as you can see, they've now gone slightly kind of invisible. They've now kind of changed to like a different slight colour. That's a pretty cool illusion. Okay, so before we get in the next one, just blink your eyes around again, just shake your eyes around. You may see a blue square, but don't worry, it'll wear off. Okay, so now we begin the next one, the same thing again. Just stare at the black dot in between the red and the green square. Okay, a few more seconds. Okay, and if you now look down at the black dot in between the two grey squares, as you can see the grey squares are now gone blue and purple. So that's another really cool illusion. If you move your eyes around you can see it changes back to grey again. Okay, now we begin the next one. You don't need a break for this one. Just the same thing again, just stare at the black dot in between the red and the green square, and this time the picture's going to change. Okay, the picture's going to change now. Just stare at the black dot still. As you can see, the orange square has gone green, and the grey square has gone purple. If you move your eyes around, you see it is a different colour. So that's another really cool illusion. Okay, we're going to begin our next one soon, but again, just another little break. You can shake your eyes around now if you want to, just give them a bit of a break, but it's going to change to white in a second. There we go. To give your eyes a bit of a break, you may still see a blue square, but again it'll wear off. Okay, so this next one, as you can see, we have two images down now at the bottom of the screen. And it just makes all those images the same, it's just the same image flipped over. Okay, now if you stare at the black dot in between the red and the green square. Okay, now stare at the black dot in between the two images. As you can see, one's gone red and one's gone green. Okay, so we're going to begin our next one now. So for this one you don't need a break, just stare at the black dot in the center of the image. About 30 seconds. Okay, and the picture's going to change still. Just keep still continuing looking at the black dot when the picture changes. There you go, as you can see, you see tons of colours, but if you move your eyes around you will see that the picture is actually black and white. So that one is really awesome. And the same thing again, just stare at the black dot in the centre of the screen. About 30 seconds. Open your mind. Okay, and the picture's going to change soon. Right now, just keep staring at the black dot when it changes. As you can see, the car has now got colour, but actually if you move your eyes around, it's black and white. So that was some colour illusions. So I bet you might all be wondering how this actually works. Okay, well I'll explain it. I'm going to start off explaining how we actually see colours. Okay, so we see colours through light. Light travels in 3 different frequencies: red, blue and green. And what happens is, these frequencies hit an object, which then bounces off the object and into our eye. Our eye then sorts out those frequencies into colours, with our 3 colour receptors that we have: red, blue and green. And what happens is, when you stare at a certain colour for too long, say for example green, that colour receptor then gets tired, and then passes the job over to the other 2 colour receptors, red and blue, which you then see as purple on a grey square. And purple is the opposite colour on the colour wheel from green. So whatever colour you stare at, when you then stare at a grey square, it will then change the opposite colour of what you are staring at on the colour wheel. Okay, so that's it from this video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and also you can try making your own colour illusions. Just go on Paint, just make a few squares and just try and see what happens. So thanks for watching guys, this has been starkillerrock, and goodbye.